Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's tap on lock screen and choose fingerprints. Before we will be able to do that, we have to set a regular screen lock. Of course, if you've got one, you will be transferred to another step. If not, just choose the option which you'd like to use and set your screen lock. I will set the pattern. Let me do it. So here we have to decide how we would like to show the notifications on the lock screen. Up to you. Just mark the option and tap on done. Tap on continue. Tap on continue, and here we've got the instructions of how to add the fingerprint. So basically we have to localize the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button, and to register it we have to place our finger on it and then move our finger around, not do it multiple times, which is quite innovative, I would say. So let's tap on register. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and now we have to move it slowly so the sensor can catch and save our fingerprint. So this is how it works. Alright, so that was quite easy. If you wish, you can add another. I will just tap on done. Now we can test our fingerprint, so let's put our finger on the sensor. It was recognized, so let's tap on done, but I do not believe that. We will check it also on the lock screen. So this is the fingerprint section. We've got the fingerprint we just added. We can add another. Here, after tapping on it, we can rename it or remove it. The fingerprint unlock and fingerprint always on the main screen, cover screen off, cover and main screens. It's totally up to you how you wish to set it. I just want to lock the device and check that it's working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.